Police arrest human rights lawyer Farotimi over defamation allegation. Operatives of the Nigerian police force have reportedly arrested human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi. Farotimi's arrest was reviewed by the 2023 presidential candidate of the African Action Congress, woisele in a post on his X handle on Tuesday. Sowore called for the lawyer's immediate release, emphasizing that the police should not be used to settle personnel disputes. Sowore wrote, and I quote, "It is pertinent that the Nigerian police are notified that the institute cannot continue to be used to settle personnel scores, and we, the citizens of Nigeria, would no longer tolerate such a situation. Therefore, the police at Zone 2 in Lagos are advised to release Barrister Dele Farotimi immediately." Iron Court. However, Punch Online made a phone call to the police spokesperson at the Zone 2 Command, SP Umar Ayuba, who refuted the arrest claim. She simply said, "We did not make any arrest. He is not in our custody." I quote. Meanwhile, the Commissioner of Police in Ekiti State, Mr. Adeniran Akiwale, told Punch Online that the lawyer was arrested for various alleged offenses. The commissioner said that the offenses committed included defamation of character, cyberstalking, and other things. But those two are fully established. That was why we have been looking for him before we were able to arrest him. We are investigating him. If the suspect is arrested, we will bring him for investigation. We will conduct our investigation and we will be able to know his level of culpability or otherwise. The Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) has condemned in strong terms the arrest of a lawyer, Dele Farotimi, by the Nigerian police force over allegations bordering on libel. A statement by the NBA president Afam Osigwe on Tuesday night in Abuja lamented the alleged invasion of Farotimi's law firm and the harassment of lawyers and staff within the premises. Osigwe described the action of the Nigerian police as troubling breach of the rule of law and the sanctity of the legal profession. He said while the Nigerian police force had the authority to investigate crimes, such power must be exercised within the confines of the law and in respect of offenses recognized under Nigerian law. He quotes, "We must reiterate that the alleged offense of libel, of which Dele Farotimi was reportedly arrested, is not recognized as a criminal offense under the laws of Lagos State. The Criminal Law of Lagos State 2011 repealed the criminalization of defamation by omitting it from its provisions. This progressive legislative move aligns with global best practices, which treat defamation as a civil wrong rather than a criminal offense," he stated. Pan-Yoruba socio-political group Afenifere has condemned the alleged abduction of legal practitioner and civil rights activist Dele Farotimi from his Lagos office by operatives of the Nigerian police. The group, in a statement on Monday signed by its deputy leader Oba Oladipo Olaitan and National Publicity Secretary Justice Faloye, described the incident as unacceptable in a democratic society. The Punch reported that Farotimi, a prominent member of Afenifere's national caucus, was reportedly whisked away by police officers. According to the group, the spokesperson of the Ekiti State Police, Sunday Abutu, stated that the arrest was based on a petition accusing Farotimi of defamatory comments against Chief Afe Babalola's son, which was reportedly contained in his recent book. Afenifere, however, described the allegation as insufficient to justify the Gestapo-style arrest, emphasizing that defamation is not a criminal offense. This act is an affront to democratic principles, and we demand his immediate release or his arraignment before a court of competent jurisdiction. Farotimi, like every citizen, is presumed innocent until proven guilty, the group stated. The group further expressed concerns over alleged plans to use legal technicalities to detain Farotimi for an extended period, saying there are rumors that the police and its sponsors aim to remand him in prison for 30 or more days under dubious pretenses. Afenifere called on Nigerians and proponents of democracy to rise against what is described as habitual, crude, and uncivilized tactics by law enforcement agencies. These actions are akin to those of criminal gangs with no regard for the rights of citizens, the statement added.